What if I told you that AI can make you over $100 a day, even if you have zero skills? In this video, I'll show you 5 free AI tools you can start using today to earn money online. Let's go. Number 1, HeyGen. This AI tool can create professional talking videos from text. You can use it to make explainer videos for businesses or YouTube channels without showing your face. People are earning hundreds on Fiverr just by offering AI video creation services. Number 2, Write Sonic. This is an AI writing assistant that creates blog posts, product descriptions, and ad copies in seconds. You can charge clients for writing or start your own blog. The best part, it's free to start. Number 3, Canva Magic Studio. It's not just for design anymore. Now it uses AI to generate entire posts, logos, and YouTube thumbnails automatically. Design social media content for small businesses and earn per design. People are doing it already. Number 4, Pictory AI. It turns your scripts or articles into ready-made videos, complete with stock footage and voiceovers. You can create YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, or client ads in minutes. Number 5, ChatGPT plus prompt base combo. Use ChatGPT to create useful prompt packs and sell them on PromptBase for real money. People are earning $20 to $50 per set of AI prompts. All it takes is creativity. These are 5 AI tools that can start generating income today. I'll drop all the links in the description. Try them out and tell me in the comments which one you'll use first. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools that can change your life. See you in the next one.